Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. I've got something juicy today. So today, so on this USD, let's go to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. I put the chart on the line chart because I want to cancel the noises. And if you watch from this line chart, you can see what key levels, key levels. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the what? The third one. So what are we expecting? We are saying that the market is reacting on this weekly key level. This is a weekly key level, yeah. This is a weekly key level. This also is another weekly key level. The overall weekly, why all these here are just the minor ones that we're just looking at. So we're going to um we need to go to the daily time frame. We'll go to the daily time frame and see what the market has for us in stock. I want to delete this. I don't want the chart to be rough. So, what can we see from this daily time frame? If you watch in this place, we have an order block. Let me put it back to the um, candlesticks. We have another block, and the market was reacted from this other block to the upside and did what again? From here, we can see that the market from here we can see that the market did what? Rejected that low to come back and is going back up. So what did I want to see on this chart right now? What I want to see here is, for now, the market is already reacting on this weekly level. So for those that have not entered, because if someone like me, I'm already in this trade, but for those that have not entered, I would like you to be patient to see if the market will give you a retracement to enter, or the market will give you another retracement here to enter before taking it to the upside or to the overall weekly key level. So this is what I'm expecting on this market. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see our entry. So from this 4 hour time frame, what do we see here? We saw that the market did what? That retracement that we are expecting on the daily time frame. We are seeing it in this 4 hour time frame. And if we can go to the one down to the 1 hour time, you will see the clear retracement. You see that this level here is the weekly key level. You can see that this is the weekly key level here, and the market did what? Made that retracement before going back to the upside. The market has not hit our stop loss. Let me take it to the 1 hour time frame so you can see the retracement. Can you see it? This was the retracement. Let me delete this. Yeah, this was the retracement. As you can see, the market retraced down and pushed back up. So right now, if you want to enter for the second entry, you can see that the market did what? Tested that entry also, because when we change this to our line chart, we will see that sharp return. You can see it. This is the sharp return here. Let me use a trend line for you. This is a sharp return on where we are expecting the market to tap for the second entry. And when we change it to so that is what I'm having for ETH USD. For people that we have already seen the retracement that we're expecting, then we should be going back up, up. So this is it. That's what I have for ETH USD. And also the same for Solana USD. If you are following us up and if your mind is in what we are doing, you will see clearly that these are moving together and exactly how we are predicting it. That is how it's going. Like now, this from the weekly time frame. Whoever is buying now, if you are buying now, you should be holding to this top because what the market has rejected this weekly time frame and it should be going back up to this top. That is for the weekly time frame. So from this weekly time frame, we've already seen to mark another entry here, another level here. We should be expecting that for those that cannot have patience to hold to this, we should be expecting to take our profits around here. So the market has not hit there yet. So let's take it to the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, what can we see? You can see this level, this level here. The market did what? Broke it a little and it should be going back up. And we're expecting it to touch here. This is the level we're expecting to take our first take profit. Then this is our final take profit here. First take profit here, final take profit here. So that is what I'm expecting on Sol USD. Then let's go to the 4 hours time frame to see how we can enter this trade. Right now, we are also in on this trade. We're also in on this trade. Very simple and very precise. You don't have to be fearing for your stop loss. When I did this analysis, I said the market should pull up and make a retracement before going back up. And this was what it did from the for the 1 hour time frame. It did what? It made that retracement and now it's going back up. So for the people that are yet to enter, you can do what? Change this to your line chart and see if the market has done what? If the market has tapped in for your re-entry. And we should be looking at it this way, something like this. So let's see if the market has tapped in for a re-entry. Okay, it's here to tap in for a re-entry. So for those that want to enter, allow the market to tap in here. Let's set our um alert. So we set an alert on Sol USD. So once the market tap in there, we should be doing what? That is our first point of interest. We should be going back up, or because I'm seeing another. This is another other block. So we should also be having something like this, tapping into the other block and go back up. So that's the two entry I'm having on this Sol USD. So my first entry will be this. Then I will have to set my stop loss for the first entry. The first entry should be like this from the entry point, like so. Then I place my stop loss below this here. Then take it to this for the second entry. And we're having 1:3 risk reward. This is for the first one. If this one fail, I believe the second POI here will not fail us. So that is it for the Sol USD. Then let's go to the Forex pairs, which is USD JPY. And USD JPY, let's start from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, what can we see here? We can see that the market is doing what? Creating break of um we are seeing the market reacting below it. So what should we be expecting? I think the market should do what? The market should touch this line here, or the market will come to this key level, then we can buy to this upside, to this first take profit. Let's say let me see the market touch the here, so we can buy to this place, first take profit. This is the second take profit. So that's what I want to see. Then let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see how we can take our entry. Like I said, so from this 4 hours time frame, what can we see? We can see that the market is creating that um, bearish movement. And like I said I'm expecting the market to tap in it into the weekly key level. And what can we see here? We can see a double bottom here. So I'm expecting what the market to take them out, tap into the key level and take out up. So let's change this stick to the candlestick. Oh, very good. Very, very good. What can we see here? We can see that the market has done what? Has tapped into the weekly key level already. It has tapped into it and is doing what? Is now ready to go up. So it is either we are having something like this. Let me remove this. It is either we are having something like this. We want to see something like this. Tap into this other block. Then boom. To this first take profits, second take profits. Or want to see the market do what? Boom, boom, to the first take profit and to the second take profit. So, guys, I believe I did not confuse you guys, and we can set our stop loss like this. Let's change it to the line chart first, so we can get our. Like I said, is either we are expecting the market to come down to this place. Let's set it here. Expecting the market to come down here. Now, this is where our take profit, our stop loss is. Then this is the first take profit. 1:5 risk reward. First take profit. 1:5 risk reward. The second take profit, the second entry, we go like this. I should keep it below here, but no, let's just make it, let it breathe. Well, let's put it below somewhere here and do what? This is 1:3 risk reward, or 1:8 risk reward. But if you are looking at the stop loss is too tight, you can do what? Either take your entry from this place, put your stop loss below here, and do what? Take it to this final take profit. This is 1:2.6 risk reward. So guys, those are what I'm having for the week, and that is what I'm looking at. So that is how this is what we're looking at. We have two POIs here. The first one is this to the other block, then take us to the final take profit. While the second one is this break this daily zone, make a retracement, and yeah. So those are the two POI we're looking at. So what are we going to do? Let's see. We can set our. This is the first POI here. Normally, this should be the first POI where we should be expecting the market to tap in here, but since it has already tapped in, already the market is already moving. So we are looking at another possible entry to enter. So we should be what we have to do is to just put your mind and be monitoring it. Then don't put your alert here. Set the first one here. Then put somewhere. Then put somewhere here, so you can know that yes, the market has passed that level, so we can be looking at it, put it around somewhere here. Be looking at the market and be expecting